In this video, I'll show you how to create your player and make him captain in the team in career mode. First off, we start up in the main menu of FIFA 23. Then we move over and go into the settings icon or the gear icon. We select that. And then when we get here, we scroll down and we go into the create player option. We select that one. And here we select whether we want our player to be male or female. For example, I want my player to be male. Then I can select his appearance. For example, I like this one. I can change his name if I want to. So I'll just go and press advance. After I've created my player, I can go into the team sheets, open it up, and find the team that I've just selected my player to play for. My player was playing for Real Madrid, so I'll select that one. Then I go into the Real Madrid default. I open it up, and when I get here, I scroll down and find my player. Let me look for him. As you can see, here is my player called Wallace. After I have found him, I replace him with Benzema, for example, and now he has become my captain. But if you don't replace the captain directly with your player, you will need to manually change the captainship. So you press on the button on your controller, or you scroll to the right using your mouse until you get to the roles section. Here you have the captain role, you select it, and you can give it to any player you want, for example Courtois, and I can return it to my player, the one that I just created. You press yes, and now my player is the captain of Real Madrid. That is it. Thank you for watching.